Hey pigeon lovers, how fun now? How na day? Today's video is different, you guys. I will bring una real Niger people to come just tip one or two things inside today's video, just to add some spice and give you guys some clarity. I hope you enjoy watching. So let's meet them.
How na day? I say make I enter on a show today. Make I come tell una how to speak pidgin. Make I learn and teach una some words, some pidgin language, some pidgin word wey they use for our country. We be obodo Nigeria.
Say how body.
How body?
You dey alright?
Dey right.
You don't chop?
Shouldn't talk.
How far?
A day.
How far?
A day.
Good job. High five.
Okay, should I start?
Start. Take your time. Take your time.
Okay. What do you say? Okay. How far?
How body?
Body day.
Oh, good job. You don't chop? Say yes, I don't chop.
Yeah, I don't chop.
Yes. Chop means have you eaten?
Yes.
You don't chop?
I am it.
You what? Say I don't chop. Please say I am
I don't chop.
You don't chop.
I don't chop.
How far?
A day.
How far?
A day.
Your turn.
Alpha.
I did. Say how far, uncle?
Alpha, uncle.
I did, jam.
A day.
Say you too much.
Too much.
No, say you too much.
You too much.
You're too much.
Nah, you don't turn that to English. Say you're too much. How far, my PG lovers? How on our day? I don't enter today to come teach you some kind new words. Hope on down day ready. Get your book and get your pen. May you just you understand? May they jot knowledge while they dish out. You understand?
I don't know how to speak pidgin. Please teach me. How do you say "how are you" in pidgin English?
How you dey?
How far?
How body?
Hello.
Hello.
As a Nigerian brought up, what happens when you go out to somebody's home and your parents are like, and they're offering you food and you don't want to eat because you know your parents will not be happy, and your parents are there and you're saying no to the offer? What will happen? Give us the gist.
If you say no, if you say yes.
If you say no and the person keeps pressing.
If the person see they press, you say no, you could look your mama. Like, I want to eat. I want chop now. I want chop. Your mom goes, sit there. No, if you want to eat. It's nothing there. If you want chop, enjoy yourself, chop. But you know, say if you chop, you go collect when you reach house.
But you go still chop am.
Most times, no.
Really?
I'm not going to collect.
So you have to learn the hard way.
You have to learn the hard way. Not to look outside, they chop for outside. And a good discipline because they can't teach me how to they say no even when I don't grow up for outside. They offer meetings because I no can get long throat. You know what long throat be? It's people who like food.
Guys, for real, your mom will literally tell you to eat when you go out with her. And the person is saying, don't you want to eat? Chop now. Fine, yeah, chop now. Your mom will go, eat now. You're not hungry. Eat now. If you try, a real Nigerian child knows that when your mom says eat, she means don't try it. And she's going to be smiling. Eat now. Tell me if this is a Nigerian thing. Does it happen where you are from as well? Tell us one thing that is common with every Nigerian home on a Sunday.
Would they like chop? Would they like chop rice every Sunday?
Most of us go to church on Sundays.
On Sunday, we must chop rice. Yeah. If you don't use
I be-
wash face for money.
Wait, what's your papa tell you about kai? Kai na spiritual drink. Now what if they use the sea road? You use the clear road. You guys clear road for money. So you use kai, wash your eye. You understand?
Okay. You don't say, I don't be Nigerian. I'm just learning the language, I don't hear say Nigerian parents feel beat their pikin for midnight. Tell us the story. How it did happen?
So, which I did want to tell you something that tastes by moonlight.
Be lie.
You know go the hear am anywhere.
No
No
be
be anyhow.
lie.
You go the hear am. So you go put the ear for grant, Masha. So you could receive the info. You understand?
Give us.
You get times where you go fit say as speaking you smart, say you get sense, you do something wrong, they won't beat you, you go run. Not that level now, you go just run, take off, go your friend place or something, delay time. When you don't reach like 8, you go meet that your friend, parent, that you go meet. Hey, I don't dare here since so my mom won't kill me, I dey fear. When my partner beats me, they'll come follow you, go beg. They'll come say, that they've heard, they'll say, please, 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 I beg, no be this pikin, I beg. They'll talk say they don't hear, after they talk say they don't hear finish, they fit even give you dinner, you could chop well, chop like 2 chicken. Do you understand? You go sleep. Small. As you just sleep, as you just dey sleep around 2 a.m., 1 a.m., they'll wake you with better cane. Like this, when they beat you, you feel no sleep 1 week.
And they'll still beat you for going to tell person to come beg them.
That one are normal.
Who give you mind?
They'll still beat you for asking person, make person come beg for you. Say they carry family issue go outside. Things they occur.
So, to most Nigerian parents, they know they play with discipline. They must discipline their children, okay? So, even if they won't beat you or they won't punish you, and you run, go call neighbor, maybe they can help you beg your parents, they're going to agree. Then go agree. They're going to say, okay, don't worry, okay. They'll even thank the neighbor for coming. Oh, thank you very much. And they're not going to touch you because they want that neighbor to be asleep. So the neighbor does not hear your voice when you're crying. And they're going to allow you sleep. So you cannot run back to the neighbor to come and tell them that, oh, my parents did not hear me. Oh, my parents did not hear your advice or your begging. Oh, they're going to leave everything. They're going to pamper you. They will leave you. They will give you ice cream. They will give you food. They will give you chicken. You can't relax. Neighbor will go sleep. Hey, but you don't sleep for nights. They're gonna use cane to wake you up. They're gonna whoop your ass. You go use cane, stand up for that sleep where you sleep. They'll come tell you, say, so now me, you won't turn to a bad person. It is me. You want that neighbor to think I'm a bad mother. You went to tell the neighbor, I will kill you today. I'm your mother. I brought you into this world. I will take you back. But you say if you grow for Nigeria now, so Nigeria na place say your parents go beat you, but they no go allow you cry. Hey God, they no go allow you cry. How do they do it? What would they say that you know they're not supposed to cry?
Now then go they beat you. Now then go they tell you how you want to cry. Sometimes they go flog you. The thing they go beat you. You want cry. They go look you. Next thing they go, especially they can do hand like this. If I hear pim. Oh, you go hear me. So meaning if they will beat you, say make you no cry.
It's more like cry. If I hear pim,
yes,
they'll put hand like this. Pim,
yes,
then you go hear
me.
Do it so they can see.
If I hear pim, you go hear me. So
hold your mouth.
Yeah, they go to beat you. They tell you say make you hold your mouth. How?
You no cry.
You know easy. But
you people are happy with the upbringing.
And they tell you he good because you know why they see some people now when they do their own.
You they do your own like that.
Now story for another day. Now story for another day. We'll go talk.
What do Nigerian mothers tell their children about getting pregnant?
They did not tell me that.
Not you. What do Nigerian mothers? What do Nigerian mothers tell their children?
They go say, if man touch you, you go carry belle. They say if you greet man outside, you go carry belle.
I want to ask you, what be that thing where Nigerian parents do, especially to you, where shock you as you don't grow so?
Wetin shock me na say when I dey small, I no fit speak pidgin. See this thing where they talk give you so, they no born me well. Make I use that for house. You no fit try am. You go speak English. Once she just hear you say, now wetin dey happen? Adrian, what did you say? You don't change that back to English now straight. But now pidgin we used to dey talk.
The same mama.
Now pidgin used to dey talk. The same mama. You know, but when you reason when you think deep, it good because it still help with our English. You get many people where from when they small they speak pidgin, you no fit compose better English because this na broken English. So you not complete. So you no fit speak complete English. Not only broken English you fit speak. And you go affect
don't
the
take
so
way
most is what this
break.
one part they do. The beating, the correction, we say they just the beef us. But now for when you grow up, maybe for get
Get
sense, may you apply
sense.
knowledge. You understand? So yeah.
So that means your
that's
children
all.
go collect beating.
I plead the fifth. I plead the fifth.
Yes, basically for most Nigerian families, you know, they allow that small pikin to come they speak pidgin English, you know, because we Nigerians are very ambitious and your parents literally groom you to be a professional. So from small, they don't tell you, say, you have to be a lawyer, you have to be a doctor, you have to be an engineer, you have to be a nurse. So because of that, they always make sure that our English is correct English, okay? They don't go allow you to speak pidgin for where they. And that is exactly why I had to learn the language, because I was very curious. What's this language that is forbidden? And whenever I hear people speak it, it sounds really interesting to me. But now let's go and ask these guys a particular pidgin phrase for them to translate it in English. Maybe they say they sabi English, where let us see if they really sabi the English. And the phrase is, if you are watching, this is the phrase of the day. I want you to translate it for me in the comment section. Translate it to correct English. That's what I mean. It don't take way they break. So you say you speak English, right? Translate this pidgin phrase to better English.
You know say I been not listening to my mama. I see they speak English. I speaking, so it affects my English. So I don't know.
Translate it don't take way they break. Talking for English.
It's been a while that morning dawned.
Hey, is that correct?
I think so.
It's been a while that morning dawned.
The sun has risen since morning.
Oh, Jesus. How did I get here?
You don't take away the break.
You don't take away the break. Okay. It's been done for a while now.
That won't even make sense. All right, it's time to give you guys the answer that I think it is, okay? And I hope you've not yet. Don't copy me or don't copy my answer. I hope you have put your answer in the comment section. But the answer to that phrase, "it don't take away daybreak," means it's been long since the break of dawn. Did you get it right? Anybody will thief my answer, I go no. If you thief my answer, I go no. I don't come to the end of today's video. I'm not sure if I go learn pidgin from this video, but not just fun video by other Nigerians. I know so I feel don't tire to see my face, so I say make I bring other faces come just for a good time. I hope you enjoyed watching. Keep watching my videos and you're going to learn pidgin, but this is not just like a typical video of mine, you know. This is not the typical way we film on here, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe, share this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.